in this question number 1, find the k if 2x square minus 4x plus k is greater than 0 for all values of x, and you are going to find out the value of k there. As it is mentioned in the question there that this 2x square minus 4x plus k, this whole function, let's say it is f of x, and that thing is greater than 0 for all values of x. Whatever the value of x you put in it, it will be greater than 0 there. We know from this part, if we draw the sketch of this portion, then the graph of this will be like this, because the coefficient of x square is positive 2, which is greater than 0. The shape of this graph will be minima. So we are going to draw this graph. This means that it is not cutting the x-axis at any point. This is x-axis and this one is y-axis there. So when it is not cutting the x-axis at any point, then it other word means b square minus 4ac for that graph is less than 0. This is the most important point which you have to understand in this question there. Then b is here minus 4 into 2 into k, that is less than 0, or 16 minus 8k is less than 0, or 16 is less than 8k, or k is greater than 2 there. So when k is greater than 2, then you will put in this, for this whole expression, this value will always be greater than 0, whatever the value of x you are going to put in that equation there. So this is the one part of that question which is given in this form. The second part of that question is find the possible value of k if minus 2x square minus 4x plus k is less than 0 for all values of x. Since it is less than 0, then and the coefficient of a is equal to minus 2, this means the graph of this will be maxima. So for this whole equation, the graph of this will be like this. It is less than 0 for the whole function of f of x, or in other words, we can write it like this, that f of x is less than 0. So when it is less than 0 for all values of x, then it is not going to cut the x-axis. So b square minus 4ac should be less than 0 for this portion there, where b is equal to minus 4 into minus 2 into k, that is less than 0, or 16 plus 8k is less than 0, or 16 is less than minus 8k, or 8k is less than 8k is less than minus 16, or k is less than minus 2. So this is the values of k possible in this equation number 2 there, that it is always less than 0 for all values of x there. We can even change the positions of k to this a or this position. So, but the theme is in this question is that it is always either greater than 0 or it always less than 0. Then always use b square minus 4ac less than 0 for the solution of that unknown variable in that quadratic inequalities there.